What's up, everyone? This is just Evom Appliances, and if you're new to our channel, please consider to subscribe so that you always get our latest reviews and updates every time that we have them. First of all, I want to say thank you. Thank you for all our subscribers. Thank you for engaging with our videos. And today, we had a request for one of the most affordable cookers that we have, and this in front of you, this is 50 by 60 cooker. It's a 3+1 cooker. This is the most affordable cooker in the Kenyan market, which is a 3+1. Note, I'm saying 3+1 because we have other which are cheaper, but they're not 3+1. So 3+1 means you have 3 gas burners right here, and you have an electric hot plate. And for this particular one, you also get an electric oven. This is how it looks like. So the company is Euroken. It is taking the Kenyan market by storm for people who are looking for affordable quality cooker at a budget. This is what you get. So this is 50 by 50 centimeters by dimension and 60 centimeters by dimension. That is why it says it's 50 by 60. So first things first, under the burners you get a jet valve. A jet valve is that valve that regulates the amount of gas that is used. Every time you buy a cooker, look for that, because it makes sure at least you use the right amount of gas and you do not waste it. So every time that you're looking for a cooker, at least ensure you have that. So this one comes with that one. Let's look at the knob. I like how the fact that even though it comes at a very affordable price, they also incorporated quality knobs. You see, they have quality knobs. I like the fact that it's built on quality materials as well. Its top is silver, stainless steel. That means it's not easy to rust. I like the fact that they have that color combination of silver and black. And for the price, this one is going for just 19,000 Kenyan shillings. 19,000, you get yourself this beauty. So let me know, is it even worth 19,000 or it's even worth more? Let us look at the oven. This is the oven part. Comes with a baking tray. Comes with a grill as well. These are the elevating stands where you can have them on the lower part of your cooker so that the height can be elevated. And comes with a double glass. There is a glass up there and another one but on the lower side. And I love the fact that it doesn't have openings right here. You see, most of the time when you have openings, that means that you will always have to open the lid all the time so that you can wash it. This one, there is no need for that. It's compact. It comes with an electric ignition. That means whenever you're using it, you can use electric ignition. Yes, so this is it. And it's going for 19,000 Kenyan shillings only. So this is the one of the most affordable yet quality cookers. You see, you might get cheaper than this one, but the quality is compromised. So for this, the quality is checked. It's something I can highly recommend. That is why we actually are selling these types. There might be cheaper, but quality might be compromised. But this one, I highly recommend this. So this is 19,000 Kenyan shillings only. Our number to order is 0720616098. We are located at Utawala, opposite AP Training College. So if you ever wish to visit us, go to Google Maps and type just Evom Appliances Utawala and it will bring you to the shop. We are also dealers in fridges, more cookers, fridges. We have fridges right here. We have a lot of microwaves, TVs. We do a lot of kitchenware, appliances, and a lot of stuff. So if you ever want to see even more that we have, kindly visit our website, justsavehomeappliances.com. The link will be in the description, and hope to see you in the next one.